Good morning, welcome to a field in Warwickshire, where this morning I've brought the CWA drone to show you some of the features of the drone and also explain how it can really add value to the productions that you're working with us on at CWA. So first of all, the drone itself, it's a DJI Mini 2 and it weighs 249 grams. It's one of the lightest drones around. And the reason for that weight is that any drone over 250 grams is governed by much more strict regulations than a drone of this weight. So we can fly it much closer to buildings or people, for example, safely and legally, than you can a drone that's much heavier. So that opens up way more possibilities when it comes to choosing what kind of shots we can film, to really show off your business, show off your product. You know, the world's our oyster really in what we can shoot. So why would you want or need a drone in your video productions? Well, for me, it adds something called production value, which elevates your video from anything that be able to shoot by just using ground-based cameras. We've got a drone at CWA that allows us the flexibility to get the shots we want, but also gets great footage from its 4K camera. We've got full control over the image. The drone footage looks like it's part of the film. So if you're interested in talking to us about the drone, drop us a line. We're more than happy to work out how it can add value to your productions. And watch out for more footage from our drone coming up on social media in the near future. Thanks for watching.